probability like this one, you know? What's the probability of, I'm going to use some shorthand if that's okay with you guys. See if you like this. If you don't like it, I'll stop doing it. Probability of rolling a 6. Is that okay? Do we like that or do we not like that?
It's fine. It's fine.
There was like 4 people saying it's fine. It's okay? It's okay. Probability. So probability. I won't piss anybody off. That's too many quotes. Probability of rolling a 6 equals 1 in 6. In words, and I always like putting it in words because I want you guys to be able to explain this to your neighbor. This is the way you truly understand probability. If you can explain it to somebody who's never ever taken a stat class before and they get it, that means you understand it really well. And this is the best way I've discovered to explain what a probability of 1 in 6, or anything for that matter, means. It simply means, on average, I put it at the front, it's okay with you guys. On average, each 6 rolls generate a 6. Basically, that's what it means. It doesn't mean that you can't have rolls where you see 3 6s out of 6. It doesn't mean that you can't see rolls where you see no 6s out of 6. Look back at our data over there. Remember how we talked about averages before? Brittany, was your idea and I loved it. Remember how we talked about averages being the sharing measure? Share. Look at all those zeros. In that last trial there, were 5 of you that had no 6s at all, right? Somebody had 4. So take 3 of that person's 4 6s and donate them to 3 of those 5. Now, that 4 person has 1, and each of those 5 people, there's only 2 left that don't have any. Now the people that rolled 3, there's only 1 of them, take 2 of theirs. Yes?
Like a cup of water.
It's exactly what it is. It's equilibrium. Average is like equilibrium. When you open up, how many of you guys notice this? When you leave your door open to your house on these cold days, you can feel the cold air rushing into your house, right? Yeah. It's nature trying to become an equilibrium. There's a pressure difference between hot and cold air. Cold air is denser, hot air is not as dense. It's trying to find equilibrium. Same reason a straw works. When you suck on a straw, you're lowering pressure in your mouth. The liquid has higher pressure. It's trying to shove and fill that vacuum. Nature abhors a vacuum. Averages do too. Averages abhor deviation. They want everybody to have the same amount. That's why I had to get the on average in there, Christy. Yes, we should expect it on average 1 every 6. You should also expect a 3 every 6. You should also expect a 5 every 6. But it doesn't mean they're going to come in order. Did anybody happen to roll a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6 all within 6? Right? Anybody do that?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you were keeping track of that. Do it right now. Roll 6 times. See if you got 1 of each. You just broke it. If you get a repeat, you can stop because you won't. You got it, Sumi? Oh, we got 2 of them. Would you believe there's only a 1% chance of that happening?
Wait, did you have to do it in order? Or
no, not in order. In order is even harder. We got another. We got a 3rd one. We got 3 of them. Do it again. We got 4. My head's gonna explode. No, we're using our lookup right now. Do it again. My head's gonna explode. There's only a 1% chance of this happening. In my dice are rigged.
On the other ones, I got 1 every 6 every single time.
You did. That's cool. Well, it is the most likely outcome.
I know.
It is the most likely outcome. Perfecto. Sorry, I'm trying to read Spanish in the word over there. Anybody get that time?
No.
Do it again! Sorry, I'm yelling. I was getting 4 of those at once. It's very exciting. Very exciting. We got it again! And oh my God! Same person got it twice.
That's crazy.
I got 1 through 5.
1 through 5, and then it, yes.
Yeah.
You know what you just did?
I got it!
5! Got it again. It's Powerball. It's Powerball commercial, right? Okay. So what we just saw, this is actually really cool this happened. We should see this on average about 1 out of every 100 experiments. It's very hard to get each one 6 times. Let me show you why, if it's okay. Let me show you why, if it's okay. Fire
Why is it not 3 times 36?
Why is it not 3 times 36?
Yeah.